Alright, so now we're working Kenya with the off-leash recall. Alright, just ignore her though if she just comes over there. Alright, now call her.
Kenya! 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 It's a good girl! Kenya! Good girl, good girl! Kenya! Kenya, come here! Ow.
She's a little sniff of that one. Alright, call her back. Keep calling. I think after a couple days she'll learn the name a little bit more. Alright, just ignore her. Kenya! Oh, good girl. Oh, she's catching on now. Alright, see if you can get her back. So, I don't know if you could tell, but I kept holding the pager down the whole time. Alright, call her.
Kenya! Kenya! Kenya, Kenya, Kenya! Good girl, Kenya! Come on, Kenya!
Second it runs, I let it up.
Good girl!
Alright, Tara, we're going to work on her more. She's doing pretty good for her first day of school. Alright, see if you can get her back. Call her.
Kenya! Come here, Kenya! Come here! Come here, Kenya! Come here! Oh, Kenya, come here!
See ya, girl.